Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, I'm in process of cleaning this area. So what this is egress window of my basement, and this is their emergency fire entrance of my tenants, those who live downstairs. So guys, when you have a severe snowfall, this area can quickly fill up with snow in case of severe snowstorm. So God forbidden, in case of any emergency, those occupants inside will not be able to clear this location out and escape. It will be like just impossible for them. So make sure it does not happen. Okay, make sure whenever you clean, make sure you clean this area also, so that in case of any emergency they can open this window and they just exit from fire and any other safety hazard. This could be a life-saving hack and may save someone in critical situation. So if you're a homeowner, make sure you clean this area. Thanks for watching this guys, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.